Oracle statistics refer to information about the data stored in an Oracle database that is used by the Oracle Optimizer to determine the most efficient way to execute a SQL statement. The Oracle Optimizer uses these statistics to generate execution plans for SQL statements, which determine the sequence of operations needed to retrieve or modify the data. By analyzing the statistics, the optimizer can choose the most efficient execution plan, which can significantly improve the performance of the database. Examples of statistics that Oracle collects include the number of rows in a table, the number of distinct values in a column, size, the distribution of values in a column, and the size of indexes. These statistics are updated automatically by the database as data changes, and they can also be manually collected and analyzed by database administrators to optimize performance. Here are some considerations to keep in mind when collecting Oracle statistics. Frequency of data changes. If your database contains tables that are frequently updated, then it's a good idea to collect statistics more frequently. This ensures that the optimizer has up-to-date information about the data distribution and can make more accurate decisions. Size of the table. Large tables may take longer to collect statistics on, and the amount of time required to collect statistics may impact database performance. You may need to collect statistics on large tables in smaller batches to minimize the impact on database performance. Sampling options. Oracle provides different sampling options when collecting statistics, such as random or system-defined. The choice of sampling option can affect the accuracy of the statistics, so it's important to choose an appropriate sampling option. Use of histograms. Histograms provide additional information about the data distribution in a table and can help the optimizer make better decisions. However, collecting histograms can take longer and may impact database performance, so they should be used judiciously. Use of dynamic sampling. Dynamic sampling is a feature in Oracle that allows the optimizer to collect additional statistics on the fly when executing a SQL statement. This can be useful when the optimizer does not have sufficient statistics to make an informed decision, but it can also impact query performance. Storage considerations. Oracle statistics are stored in the database and can take up significant space. It's important to consider the storage requirements for statistics and ensure that there is sufficient space available. Overall, collecting Oracle statistics is a critical task for maintaining database performance, and there are many factors to consider when doing so. By carefully considering these factors, you can ensure that your statistics are accurate and up-to-date, and that your database is performing optimally. Oracle provides several sampling options for collecting statistics on database objects, including tables, indexes, and partitions. Here are some of the most common sampling options. Sample. This option specifies the percentage of rows to be used for collecting statistics. For example, if you specify sample 10, Oracle will use approximately 10% of the rows in the table to compute statistics. Block sample. This option is used to collect statistics on a sample of data blocks in the table. You can specify the percentage of data blocks to be sampled, or you can specify a fixed number of blocks. System. This option collects statistics by scanning the entire table or index. This option is useful for small tables or indexes that can be processed quickly. Auto. This option lets Oracle automatically choose the appropriate sampling method based on the size of the object being analyzed. For all column size n, this option collects histogram data for all columns in the table with a maximum of n distinct values. This option is useful for large tables with many columns. For columns, this option lets you collect statistics on a subset of columns in the table. You can specify the columns you want to collect statistics for using the For Columns clause. You can use these sampling options with the dbms_stats package or the analyze statement to collect statistics on database objects. There are several ways to collect statistics for the optimizer to use in creating efficient execution plans for SQL queries. Some of the methods available are: automatic statistics collection. Oracle's automatic statistics collection feature collects statistics on database objects automatically, based on a schedule or when a certain threshold is met. Manual statistics collection. You can manually collect statistics on a particular database object using the dbms_stats package. You can specify various options for collecting statistics, such as the degree of parallelism, the granularity of statistics, and the sampling method. Histograms. You can create histograms for column data to provide more detailed information about the distribution of data. Histograms help the optimizer to generate more accurate execution plans for SQL queries. Dynamic sampling. Dynamic sampling is a method that the optimizer uses to collect additional statistics on a table or index at runtime. This is useful for optimizing queries with complex predicates. Incremental statistics. Incremental statistics allow you to collect statistics on a subset of data rather than on the entire table. This can save time and resources when you only need to update statistics for a small portion of a large table. Real-time statistics. Real-time statistics provide up-to-date statistics on an object, such as a table or index, without having to manually collect statistics or wait for the automatic statistics collection job to run. Automatic Workload Repository, AWR, statistics. AWR statistics are automatically collected and stored in the AWR repository, which provides a historical view of database performance over time. You can use AWR reports to identify performance trends and potential issues. In Oracle, DBMS_stats is a package that can be used to gather statistics on database objects such as tables, indexes, and partitions. The package contains a number of different procedures and functions that can be used to customize the statistics gathering process. The DBMS_stats preferences, also known as preferences or options, are a set of parameters that can be set to control how statistics are gathered. The available options are: Cascade specifies whether to gather statistics for dependent objects, such as indexes and partitions, when gathering statistics for a table. The default is true. Degree specifies the degree of parallelism to use when gathering statistics. The default is dbms_stats.auto_degree, which means that Oracle will automatically determine the degree of parallelism based on the number of available CPUs. Estimate_% specifies the percentage of rows to sample when estimating statistics. The default is dbms_stats.auto_sample_size, which means that Oracle will automatically determine the sample size based on the size of the table. Method_OPT specifies the method used to gather statistics. The default is for all column size auto, which means that Oracle will use a histogram for columns with skewed data distribution, and use the number of distinct values for columns with uniform data distribution. No_invalidate specifies whether to invalidate dependent cursors when gathering statistics. The default is false, which means that dependent cursors will be invalidated. Granularity specifies the granularity level at which statistics are gathered. The default is default, which means that statistics are gathered at the partition or subpartition level if the object is partitioned or subpartitioned, and at the object level if not. Method_OPT_for_index specifies the method used to gather statistics for indexes. The default is for all column size auto, which means that Oracle will use a histogram for columns with skewed data distribution, and use the number of distinct values for columns with uniform data distribution. Stale_% specifies the percentage of staleness allowed before statistics are considered stale. The default is 10%. Cascade_top-only specifies whether to gather statistics only for the top-level object in a hierarchy of dependent objects. The default is false. These preferences can be set using the dbms_stats.set_**prefs procedures, where asterisk can be table, index, or partition. For example, to set the estimate_% preference for a table, you can use the following command. dbms_stats.set_table_prefs, schema_name, table_name, estimate_% 10. This would set the estimate_% preference to 10% for the specified table. Some other examples are: exec dbms_stats.set_global_prefs, incremental_staleness, use_stale_%. Exec dbms_stats.set_table_prefs, my_schema, my_table, stale_%, 5. Exec dbms_stats.set_table_prefs, my_schema, my_table, incremental, true. exec dbms underscore stats dot set underscore table underscore prefs, my underscore schema, my underscore table, granularity, auto. Exec dbms underscore stats dot set underscore table underscore prefs, my underscore schema, my underscore table, estimate underscore percent, dbms underscore stats dot auto underscore sample underscore size. Here's some more info. Some of the ways to collect statistics. Automatic statistics gathering. Oracle can automatically gather statistics for all database objects with the auto underscore sample underscore size option enabled. To enable automatic statistics gathering, run the following command. Exec dbms underscore stats dot set underscore global underscore prefs, auto underscore sample underscore size, true. Manual statistics gathering. You can manually gather statistics for database, schema, individual objects, or all objects in a schema using the dbms underscore stats package. For example, stats can be collected at table, index, system, schema, session, partition, subpartition level using dbms underscore stats package. To gather statistics for a table, for example, run the following command. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore system underscore stats, system stats. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore fixed underscore objects underscore stats, fixed objects. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore database underscore stats, full db stats. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore dictionary underscore stats, dictionary stats. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, schema underscore name, table underscore name. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, HR, employees, table. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, HR, employees, cascade equals true, table partitions including index. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore index underscore stats, HR, employees underscore PK, index stats. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore schema underscore stats, Scott, schema stats. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, HR, employees, EMP underscore partition, partition. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, HR, employees, EMP underscore partition, EMP underscore sub underscore partition, table subpartition. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, own name equals HR, tab name equals sales, granularity equals subpartition, cascade equals true, subpartition stats including indexes. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, own name equals HR, tab name equals sales, granularity equals subpartition, method underscore opt equals for columns, cascade equals false, subpartition statistics for the table without indexes. Incremental statistics in Oracle are a way to efficiently collect statistics on large partition tables. Traditional statistics collection involves scanning the entire table, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Incremental statistics collection works by only analyzing the changed data since the last statistics collection job. This approach can save significant amounts of time and resources, particularly for large tables with a lot of changes. Oracle provides several types of incremental statistics collection, including 1. Partition-level incremental statistics. This approach collects statistics only for the partitions that have changed since the last statistics collection. 2. Subpartition-level incremental statistics. This approach collects statistics only for the subpartitions that have changed since the last statistics collection. 3. Global-level incremental statistics. This approach collects statistics for the entire table, but only analyzes the changed data since the last statistics collection. Using incremental statistics can help improve performance in Oracle databases by reducing the time and resources required to collect statistics on large tables. To enable incremental statistics gathering, you need to set the incremental option to true when gathering statistics. Exec dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore table underscore stats, schema underscore name, table underscore name, incremental equals true. Statistics Advisor. This feature helps to identify objects that require statistics gathering and provides recommendations on how to gather statistics. To use this feature, run the following. Exec dbms underscore stats dot recommend underscore stats, task underscore name equals stats underscore advisor underscore task, cascade equals true.